Here are the blue bins full of parts. It looks like a lot of cables. Spare parts used to repair all the machines in this hospital. It would be impossible to catalog it all. Just every little part for machines in this hospital, medical equipment. You'll get the bins and the parts. You can leave the bins if you want and just take the parts, or you can take the bins too. But it's a lot of cables and stuff like that for all the medical devices in this hospital. So what you see is what you get. A whole lot of cables. The other stuff in this room sold separately. Those boxes are not included. I don't know what's in them yet. But all sorts of cables for various medical devices. I mean, that sticks out as interesting, but it looks to be mostly cables. But come take a look if you want.